Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. Today I wanted to answer the question, is it easy to get an installment agreement? Well, I'd have to say easy is a relative term, but there's a defined process put into place by the IRS to receive an installment agreement. And if you go through the process, if you fill out the required paperwork, if you're in tax compliance, because one of the rules about getting an installment agreement is you have to have all of your taxes filed. So first off, you have to have the taxes filed, and if not, you have to get them filed. Then you have to fill out a Form 433A, a collection information form, and give substantiation of some of your expenses for housing and utilities, for vehicle payments, those types of things. Then the IRS is going to analyze what is your monthly income, what is your monthly allowable expenses, to determine how much you can afford to pay on an installment agreement. So if you've got your taxes filed, you fill out all of the paperwork, and ultimately you can afford the agreed upon amount that the IRS says that you can afford to pay for an installment agreement, then they're going to grant you the installment agreement. So those are really the steps involved in getting an installment agreement. And I guess to answer the question, is it easy? Easy is a relative term. But if you qualify for an installment agreement and you can live with and manage the amount that the IRS says that you can afford to pay, then I'd say yes, it is easy to get an installment agreement. That's it for today. Look forward to seeing you again real soon. I appreciate you stopping by. Bye-bye.